Good morning students. Today we will discuss the question answers and the name of our chapter is Bholi. Why is Sulekha called Bholi? And the answer is Sulekha is called Bholi because she is a simpleton due to her suffering some brain damage after falling off a coat when she was 10 months old. As a result, she is not as smart as the children of her age. Question number 2. What happened to Bholi when she was 2 years old? And the answer is Bholi fell a victim to smallpox at the age of 2 years. Her face and body became full of poke marks. She was still fortunate as her eyes had remained untouched and were fine. Question number 3. Why is Bholi's father worried about her? And the answer is Bholi was not like other children. She fell off a coat as a child due to which her brain was slightly damaged. She learned to speak very late and used to stammer. Her face and whole body was covered with poke marks. Thus, her father was worried about her marriage prospects. Question number 4. For what unusual reason is Bholi sent to school? And the answer is Ramlal was a government official and the Tehsildar had asked Ramlal to send his daughters to the new school in his village. But as Ramlal's wife felt that sending girls to school affected their marriage prospects adversely, she did not want to send any of her daughters to school. However, Bholi, with her pock-marked face and dull brain, would not be possible to get married anyway. So, Bholi's parents decided to send her to school to satisfy the Tehsildar. Question number 5. Does Bholi enjoy her first day at school? And the answer is Bholi was afraid at first. She even wept when the teacher asked her name. She just sat in a corner, but the beautiful pictures on the classroom wall attracted her. The gentle and loving manner of her teacher made her comfortable. She was looking forward to her new life by the time the first day ended. Thus, although initially she did not enjoy it, but by the time she went home, she had liked school. Question number 6. Bholi was fascinated by the walls of the classroom. Why? And the answer is the walls of the classroom had bright and colorful pictures of a horse, a goat, a parrot, and a cow. They all looked familiar to Bholi and were like the ones in the village. That is why she was fascinated to see those pictures. Question number 7. What filled Bholi, a dumb cow, with a new hope in her? And the answer is Bholi's first day of school brought a hope of a new life. She had found a loving and kind teacher. The teacher had inspired her and given her a book and had made Bholi feel confident about herself. Question number 8. In what way did the village change over time? And the answer is the village changed into a small town over a period of time. The primary school had become a high school. The village had a cinema and a cotton ginning mill. The mail train also stopped at the village railway station. Question number 9. Does she find her teacher to be different from the people at home? And the answer is, Bholi had been a neglected child at home. She was never bathed, nor were her clothes washed. She was criticized and everyone made a fun of her. But she found her teacher to be entirely different. Her teacher did not make a fun of her ugliness on her stammering. She encouraged her tenderly. Her affection deeply touched Bholi's heart. Question number 10. Why does the marriage not take place? And the answer is, at the time of marriage, Bishambhar asked for a dowry of 5,000 rupees because he saw Bholi's pockmarked face. Ramlal had no choice but to pay. But Bholi refused to marry the greedy man. She asserted her rights and dignity. Thus, the marriage party was turned away. Question number 11. How did Bholi's teacher play an important role in changing the course of her life? And the answer is, Bholi stammered and was just a bundle of nerves when she attended school in the beginning. Her teacher treated her kindly and encouraged her to have confidence and to be bold. She taught her to read and write and made her an independent girl who was aware of her rights. Thus, she changed her life. Question number 12. Why did Bholi at first agree to an unequal match? Why did she later reject the marriage? What does this tell about her? And the answer is, Bholi agreed to the match at first to fulfill her parents' wishes. Later on, she rejected the marriage when the bridegroom asked the dowry. This tells us that Bholi was not a timid and dumb girl. She was aware of her rights. She also knew how to fight for her own dignity and feared no one. Question number 13. Bholi had many apprehensions about going to school. What made her feel that she was going to a better place than her home? And the answer is, the day she was going to school forced her parents to dress her nicely. She was bathed and her hair was properly done. Until then, she was not being taken care of. The special treatment she received made her feel that she was going to a better place. Question number 14. Bholi's real name is Sulekha. We are told this right at the beginning, but only in the last but one paragraph of the story is Bholi called Sulekha again. Why do you think she is called Sulekha at that point in the story? And the answer is, the word Bholi means a simpleton. Throughout the story, she had been a simpleton who hardly expressed her opinion on any matter. The word Sulekha means a person with a beautiful sense of letters. In this story, this word has a larger meaning of being a literate, intelligent and mature individual. After her education, Bholi had really changed to Sulekha, and her assertion at the time of her marriage is her announcement to the world that she is no more a Bholi but is a Sulekha. Question number 15. Why did Bishambar's marriage with Bholi not take place? And the answer is Bishambar's marriage with Bholi did not take place because he had demanded a dowry of 5,000 rupees from her father for the marriage. So Bholi refused to marry him. Thank you.